What up, though? Y'all know what time it is. Want to thank you for tuning in to another spoken word video, rap talk, poetry, spoken word reading. And in this video today, I'm gonna give y'all this piece I wrote called "One Day My Bird's Gonna Fly." Hope y'all are digging this one, appreciate this one. So with no further ado, first of all, make sure you make it to the end of the video. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you're digging the poetry and spoken word. Because we trying our best. Well, we gonna take spoken word to a bigger plateau, you know. It's gonna be big. So with no further ado, let's get into it. Listen to me. One day my bird is gonna fly. My thoughts is beyond these ghetto streets. See, I done seen dreams die inside and people giving up on what's meant to be. See, my soul got a heartbeat and the rhythm to the drums of life say keep progressing. Through time, I done traveled this world, but then again, I learned through life lessons. One day my bird's gonna fly. As my thoughts hold on to the edge of my fear. See, the devil pulled on my soul long enough. See, I know my time is finally here. One day my bird's gonna fly. So with the wind beneath, as my wings release, strength, courage, wisdom, and understanding. Today my dreams parallel with my confidence, forever soaring, no landing. The bird is me. The bird is free. One day my bird is gonna fly. Rap talk.